our side, we feel the talks have gone well, and we will respond to your points within 1 week.
First of all, let me say, my combine harvester is full of fish. Furthermore, strange bananas paint pictures in my head.
I'm sorry, I think I may not have understood. Would you say that again?
But of course, the goats understand more than you know. I am a chocolate biscuit, Twinkie Twinkie.
In life, the value of clear communication cannot be underestimated, which is why the Yes mobile phone network gives you access to the latest international GSM technology so that everything you say comes over loud and crystal clear.
Sorry about that. Sometimes pink elephants float through my marmalade.
If you're looking for unparalleled sound clarity,
The answer is yes.